Hello everyone, I'm Reddy.S, currently pursuing first year computer science engineering from SVTE, Bangalore. Today I'll be presenting you on the topic a revolution in design and manufacturing, 3D printing in mechanical engineering. Let's get started. Now, coming to the topics which we are going to cover in this presentation, 3D printing, difference between additive and subtractive manufacturing, benefits of 3D printing, challenges and considerations of 3D printing, applications of 3D printing, future of 3D printing, and conclusion. Now, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. The process works by laying down thin layers of material in the form of liquid or powdered plastic, metal, or cement and then fusing the layers together. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. It can be done in variety of processes too. Now, the differences between additive and subtractive manufacturing. Here, additive manufacturing is layer by layer material is added one over another to build desired solid 3D product, whereas subtractive manufacturing or layer by layer material is gradually removed from a solid block to fabricate a 3D model. Now, in complex shapes, in additive manufacturing, complex shapes can be easily fabricated, whereas in subtractive manufacturing, there is limited ability of fabricating complex shapes. In additive manufacturing, suitable materials are materials which have low melting point, such as plastic, whereas in subtractive manufacturing, it can be applied to all solid materials irrespective of melting point. In the volume metric density of the constructive material, a final component can be controlled during operation in additive manufacturing. In subtractive manufacturing, the processes are associated with material wastage in the form of chips, scraps, dissolved ions, vapors, etc. There is no wastage of material in additive manufacturing, and the processes are applicable only to a narrow range of materials. Whereas to act as a good lubricant, the cutting fluid should possess high lubricity, and the processes can be efficiently applied to a wide variety of materials in subtractive manufacturing. Now, coming to the benefits of 3D printing, we have flexible design. 3D printing allows for the design and print of more complex designs than traditional manufacturing processes. More traditional processes have design restrictions which no longer apply with the use of 3D printing. The second benefit is rapid prototyping. 3D printing can manufacture parts within hours, which speeds up the prototype process. This allows each stage to be completed faster. Now, print on demand. Print on demand is another advantage as it doesn't need a lot of space to stock inventory, unlike traditional manufacturing processes. This saves space and cost as there is no need to print in bulk unless required. Now, strong and lightweight parts. The main 3D printing material used is plastic. Although some metals can also be used for 3D printing, however, plastics offer advantages as they are lighter than their metal equivalents. Fast design and production. Depending on a part's design and complexity, 3D printing can print objects within hours, which is much faster than molded or machined parts. Now, the second set of benefits, minimizing waste. So yeah, coming back to it, minimizing waste. Minimizing waste, the production of parts only requires materials needed for the part itself, with little or no wastage as compared to alternative methods which are cut from large chunks of non-recyclable materials. Cost effective. 3D printing is cost effective as a single step manufacturing process. 3D printing saves time and therefore costs associated with using different machines or for manufacture. 3D printers can also be set up and left to get on with the job, meaning that there is no need for operators to be present during the process. Ease of access. 3D printers are becoming more and more accessible with more local service providers offering outsourcing services for manufacturing work. Environmentally friendly. 3D printings are environmentally friendly with benefits are extended when you consider factors such as improved fuel efficiency from using lightweighted 3D printed parts. The last benefit, advanced healthcare. 3D printing is being used in medical sector to help save lives by printing organs for the human body such as liver, kidneys and hearts. Now, coming to the challenges of 3D printing, uh, there are a few challenges of 3D printing too, which are limited materials, restricted build size, post processing, large volumes, part structure, reduction in manufacturing jobs, design inaccuracies, and copyright issues. Yeah, so as we have seen the benefits, now let's also see the applications of 3D printing, which are prosthetics, replacement parts, implants, pharmaceuticals, emergency structures, aeronautics and space travel, custom clothing, custom fitted personal products, educational materials, and food. Now, coming to the future of 3D printing, looking ahead to 2023 and beyond, 3D printing Uh, looking ahead to 2023 and beyond, 3D printing will continue to innovate how companies manufacture and purchase goods, and continued supply chain obstacles will make 3D printing an even more integral technology for economic and national security issues. So yeah, coming to the conclusion of this presentation, 3D printing like modeling or three-dimensional scanning is a recreation tool among other things. But what most distinguishes is its potential to create an almost unlimited number of shapes. And as you also need to master it with every tool, but also know its limits. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and hope you guys like the video.